Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that can automatically generate your entire presentation using NotebookLM and Gemini. And trust me, this process is a total game changer. If you make PPTs, explain topics on YouTube, or need visual notes for students, this method can reduce your workload by up to 70%. Let's see how it works. First, open NotebookLM. Its biggest strength is that it understands context. Whether it's simple text, messy notes, or a heavy PDF, it can extract everything and turn it into a clean knowledge base. To start, click on Create New and make a new notebook. You'll see many options to upload your material, like Google Drive, websites, links, YouTube videos, or just pasted text. For creating slides, we'll use the Discover Sources feature. This lets you search and organize information from a wide range of internet sources. Just enter your topic in the prompt bar and click Submit. Once you submit, NotebookLM will start collecting relevant information from different web sources. You'll see articles, research papers, and even YouTube videos. You can review and select or remove sources as needed. For now, we'll select All and click Import. In the center, you'll get an AI-generated summary with key points from all sources. Now, let's turn this research into a PowerPoint outline. Give instructions like create a 10-slide outline based on all sources in this notebook. Each slide should include a title, 2 to 3 key points, and examples where needed. As soon as you submit, NotebookLM will generate a detailed outline for your presentation. Next step is to convert this outline into a visually engaging presentation using Gemini. Go to Gemini, open the Canvas feature, which is used for designing presentations, and give this prompt. Convert the following outline into a professional, visually engaging presentation using Canva. Structure the content into clear slides with concise headings, well-organized bullet points, and smooth, logical flow. Apply a modern, clean design with consistent color themes, readable typography, and appropriate spacing. Include relevant visuals, icons, or imagery suggestions for each slide to enhance understanding. Ensure the tone is professional, polished, and suitable for a formal presentation. Add a compelling title slide and a strong closing slide with key takeaways. Then, copy the outline from NotebookLM and paste it below your prompt in Gemini. Click Submit. Gemini will process your request and create a beautifully designed presentation. You'll get all your slides ready, starting from an introduction like what permutations are, definitions, factorial notation, rules, and examples, with visuals included. Even if some visuals aren't perfect, the slides are still much better than basic ones. You'll notice good backgrounds, proper contrast, and highlighted key points. Overall, it turns a simple topic into a visually appealing presentation. You can use this presentation in your classes or even turn it into a video for YouTube. Now, one important tip: some images may have watermarks. Don't use those. Replace them with free stock images from platforms like Pexels or Pixabay. Most images are ready to use, but always double-check licenses to be safe. You can download the slides and edit them easily. Add more slides, examples, or make changes as needed. Using this workflow, you can create comprehensive and engaging presentations with minimal effort. I showed a simple example, but I'd love to know how you'll use this method. Share in the comments. Everything I showed is completely free, no subscription needed, so definitely try it for your educational content. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.